Well, hey everybody. Well, when I was at HF, I decided to pick up the Angry Man pliers. And these are the small ones, 12-inch. Do these have a purpose in the garage? Absolutely. And we're going to compare them against an old American-made pipe wrench. This is a Lawson. We have some regular, decent-sized icons here. These might be Doyle's. What are these? Yeah, I think these are Doyle's. We got a rigid pipe wrench here. And the difference is with a pipe wrench, it grabs it and it tears in real hard. And yes, you can just push down without holding on to it. Say you're going to use a pair of channel locks. And I could have done about 10, 15 pairs of different brands of channel locks. It doesn't, per se, keep a grip on it when you just push down. You got to put a little pressure on the handle. If you don't put pressure on that handle, you don't keep the grip. So as soon as you let off, you want to slip. And again, I can dig out many other pairs that does the same. Again, like a pipe wrench, you just press down on it and it keeps grip. Now these are both worlds. Open and close with a pair of channel locks. Grip down. Just pick it up, it just slides over. And if you're doing something like tie rod ends, you gotta adjust them. Look how easy that is. And I'm not even holding on at all. And unlike we'll say, pair of channel locks, if you need to make it a little tighter, you can. A little looser, you can. The teeth on these are a lot finer than teeth on this or this. So you can get that oddball size. Do these slip? Well, and I got them just adjusted up enough where they grab it. So let's see how much pressure they can hold. We're going to crank this on down. These pliers are a lot, well, I'm not going to say a lot. These pliers are harder to get used to. Once you get used to them, you have yourself a great pliers. And the key thing is just getting used to them. We're going to get this nut down pretty damn tight. And yet, we're still just sit. No, not holding the bottom at all. And we are just cranking down that bad boy. No slippage. Can you do that with these? No. These don't even want to even turn on it for them. A lot harder, but the way these are designed, they just keep cranking. You loosen it up. This vice is not bolted down bad, so that'd be the hard part. But easy to operate once you get used to them. Just in your little fineness that way with turning it. For $20, I'd say absolutely. They have really good grip on them. Basically, what you gotta do is take it, push your jaw, pressing your little side button, Once you're pressing your side button, you're on it. And right now, these are not anywhere near set where they should be. Push in, turn it. There you go. And now you're set. Sit on, good to go. It takes a while to get used to setting these, but once you do, they're a great tool to have in the garage. There's a difference between both of these and these. So like I said, like tie rods, awesome for it. Adjusting them. Getting on a nut on a strut. Sometimes you got that little penny ass nut on top of a strut you gotta get to. Your shock is spinning. You can literally crank these down on that bar, and guess what? It doesn't spin. The way the jaws are designed, it gets right in there. And I did it on the round side. You see, I was doing the round side here, not the side that actually has the hex, to show you how it grips. But for 20 bucks, these are the small Ingermans. They have them much bigger. Great little tool for the garage. Enjoy your day, buddy.